Ever wondered how far you can really push it with your Wells Fargo account before those dreaded overdraft fees kick in? Let's break down Wells Fargo's overdraft policies in the next minute, so you can avoid those costly surprises. First up, the basics. When you try to make a purchase or payment that exceeds your available balance, that's when you risk overdrawing. Wells Fargo may cover these transactions, but it's not guaranteed, and that's where the fees come in. Typically, Wells Fargo charges an overdraft fee per item. Now, this fee can fluctuate, but it's generally around $35 per item, and here's the kicker: you can be charged multiple overdraft fees per day. Though Wells Fargo does have a daily limit, it's important to check their current fee schedule online as they can change. Next, let's talk about overdraft protection. Wells Fargo offers several options to help you avoid these fees. One common method is linking your checking account to a savings account or a credit card. If you overdraw, Wells Fargo will automatically transfer funds from your linked account to cover the transaction. While there might be a small transfer fee associated with overdraft protection, it's typically much less than the full overdraft fee. Another option is to decline overdraft coverage. If you opt out, Wells Fargo will simply decline the transaction if you don't have sufficient funds. This is important because it prevents you from racking up multiple fees. Finally, about the actual amount you can overdraft, Wells Fargo doesn't advertise a specific overdraft limit. The amount you can overdraft depends on several factors, including your account history, deposit activity, and overall relationship with the bank. To find out about your specific overdraft coverage options, check your Wells Fargo online profile or stop by a branch to speak to a representative. The best way to avoid all of this: monitor your account balance closely and set up low balance alerts. It is always better to be safe than sorry.